One of my greatest achievements in starting this natural hair journey has been mastering how to make my natural hair soft, defined, and deeply moisturized. It wasn't easy, but through consistency and the right routine, I've unlocked a method that truly works. In this video, I'll take you through the steps that transformed my hair so you can achieve soft, healthy, and moisturized curls too. It is a very simple routine and easy to follow. Now let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimani Magi. I make natural hair videos. So today I want to show you guys how to achieve soft, moisturized, and defined hair with the simplest routine. So when I was starting my natural hair journey, it was so overwhelming trying to find the perfect routine that is going to give results to my hair. So it wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be, because I used to watch so many videos online trying so many different products, but I ended up finding a routine that was so simple and will give results to your hair. So yeah, what we're going to do is to start with your dirty hair. I believe that the best routine starts when you're washing your hair during your wash day. That's the beginning of your moisturizing routine, because how you do your routine during your wash day is going to determine whether you're going to have a good hair week, a good hair month. Yeah, so you need to make sure that you start off really well. As you can see, this is the flaxseed gel that I'm using, and I recently started using flaxseed gel and I'm so in love with it. If you want to see how I make my flaxseed gel, I'm going to link that video. And yeah, so I tried using flaxseed gel for the first time and it was amazing. So the reason why I use flaxseed gel before I wash my hair is I want something that is going to help me to detangle my hair. So this is going to help with length retention, because now when you're detangling your hair, because I haven't detangled my hair since my last wash day, and this is going to help with detangling. I'm going to use this as a pre-poo, and there's so many benefits that comes with flaxseed gel, and I'm going to put them in the description box or in the comment section. Yeah, so this is the first step that I do, which is pre-pooing. Pre-pooing is very important, especially for us type 4 girlies, because this is going to help with moisture retention throughout the week, as well as retaining your length, because now this is the time you're able to detangle your hair without breaking your hair. So for those of you who don't know what pre-poo is what you do pre-shampoo. It's actually pre-shampoo. Yeah, so this is before you shampoo your hair. So the ingredients you can be using during this session of pre-pooing is oils, the flaxseed gel, hair masks, herbal teas. Yeah, you can just use anything, because this is going to help your hair a lot. It's going to help strengthen your hair. It's going to keep that moisture in. It's going to help with detangling. It's also going to help with nourishing your hair. So as you can see, I'm making sure that I'm massaging the flaxseed gel into my scalp as well as into my hair. Yeah, so this is what I normally do. This is the first thing that I do, and I'd really recommend you guys to include pre-pooing sessions before you wash your hair. If you have dry hair, I'd recommend you to use oils as your pre-poo. This is going to help with softening the hair, and it's also going to help with retaining moisture throughout the entire week, and your hair is just going to feel amazing. Another tip I'd recommend is to make sure that the oils or the flaxseed gel is warm. I realized that once the product is warm, the pre-pooing session is going to be amazing. It's going to work wonders. So after this, as you can see, I'm detangling my hair from roots, because my roots tend to tangle a lot. So I make sure that I detangle really well from the roots, and I am very, very careful. After that, I put on my plastic cup and stay with it for an hour, or you can just stay in a steaming cup and stay with it for 20 minutes. So this next tip is not about the hair, but it's about skincare. Well, I recommend you guys to make sure that you take care of your skin after washing your hair, because you're using so many products on your hair, and these can clog your pores. They can actually cause acne on your face. So I'd really recommend that once you're done washing your hair, once you're done rinsing out that deep conditioner, please make sure you wash your face and moisturize it. Yeah, this is going to help you a lot. As you can see, my face is really clear because I started doing this. I started focusing on taking care of my skin first before styling my hair. Now back to a natural hair. So after pre-pooing and after steaming it for a few minutes, I just went and washed my hair using African black soap. I'm using African black soap at the moment, but you can use a moisturizing shampoo. Just use the shampoo that works well for your hair. And after that, I do not condition my hair, I deep condition my hair. So I'm going to link a video on how I wash my hair and the steps that I take every time I'm washing my hair, as well as the steps that I take while deep conditioning my hair. For you to have a good moisturizing routine, you need to make sure that you deep condition your hair the right way, the best way. Make sure that all those products that you're putting on your hair are well absorbed. I'm going to talk more about this in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Now, after deep conditioning, the next step is to rinse out the deep conditioner, and then now this is the moisturizing routine. Now this is the time that we are moisturizing our hair, and while moisturizing my hair, I'm making sure that I'm moisturizing as well as putting it in a protective style. This step is going to determine whether you're going to have a soft, defined, natural hair, or you're just going to have dry, natural hair throughout the entire week. Now the first thing that I do is using a leave-in. So I don't use leave-in all the time, and I'm going to explain to you why. So when it comes to leave-in, the first ingredient you need to look for a moisturizing leave-in is water. So you cannot moisturize your hair without water. You need water first, then you seal that moisture in using your oils. And that is why you see I never insist on you guys to get a leave-in if you don't want to. But if you want to have a leave-in, then just get a good leave-in that is very well moisturizing. So the first thing I do is I massage that leave-in into my hair. If you don't massage your products into your hair, it's just going to stay on top. Now this is going to help with absorbing the product and making your hair soft and making your hair nourished. So you need to make sure that all that goodness from the leave-in, from the water, from the oils are getting into your hair shafts. So this has been my secret all along. The secret was just applying the product and making sure that every single product is absorbed into my hair. It's never really about the product that you're putting on your hair, it's about how you're putting it in your hair. So even if you have the most expensive product, it's never going to work if you're not putting it in your hair the right way. So as you can see, after doing the twist, the flat twist, I make sure that I focus on my ends and apply a cream or a butter. This way it can keep my ends moisturized, and it can also soften my ends, and this is also going to prevent single strand knots from forming, as well as keeping my ends looking good. So this is the only routine that I've been doing so far, and it has really worked wonders for my hair. And I'd really like to be able to just show you guys that you don't really have to do much when it comes to natural hair. For you to just enjoy your natural hair, you really need just a few ingredients and a simple routine that is going to help you enjoy your hair and also have amazing hair as well. Another thing is, before applying a product on my hair, I make sure that I warm it up using my palms and then apply it on my hair. So this is going to help with melting the product, and it's going to keep it warm. And like I told you guys before, if you put a warm product on your hair, it's going to work wonders for your hair, and it's going to help with absorption, sorry, it's going to help with absorption. So we need this product to get absorbed in your hair so that it can soften your hair, it can moisturize your hair, and it can nourish your hair. Now this is how I get defined hair. I define my hair like this. I don't even use any kind of magic product. I only use this moisturizing routine, and then after that I put it either in a flat twist, in a twist, or a braid, and that is how I get to rock my braid outs. At first, I never even thought that it was possible for my hair to feel the way it feels right now, or even to look the way it looks right now. First of all, this routine has helped with darkening my hair. I've used so many products that have helped with darkening the hair, but you can't get the benefits of a product if it's not even penetrating in your hair. You really need to make sure that each and every product that you're using is penetrating into your hair shaft. You need to help your hair absorb those products. So for me to get a soft, defined, and moisturized hair, the only technique that I use is to just massage it really well into my hair, and I focus on each and every section at a time. I do not apply it all over. I just make sure that I section my hair and making sure that I'm applying a section at a time, massaging it a section at a time. Once you start doing this, you're going to see a huge difference when it comes to your hair, and you're also going to notice that your hair is much happier. And another thing is you need to make sure that your hair is in a protective style. This is going to help your hair to have time to absorb those products and to be able to just do their magic in your hair, as well as protecting your hair from damage and from drying out. So another thing is your scalp. Please never forget your scalp. If you feel like you get lots of flakes on your hair, it's either your scalp is dry, or you produce so much sebum. So even if you have an oily scalp, you need to moisturize your scalp as well. This is going to regulate the sebum production, and I'm going to talk about this in a separate video. So if you're interested in this, kindly comment down below. And if you have any questions regarding this, just tell me, or if you want me to make a video about anything else regarding hair, just tell me. Or even skincare. Yeah, I'm going to do all of them for you guys. So yeah, that's the only thing that I do. I make it simple, but it gives me amazing results. Another tip is stretching your hair. So stretching your hair is going to help with, first of all, softening your hair. Your hair is going to feel soft, and it is also going to help you with getting a good definition. So whenever I'm rocking a braid out, I make sure that I stretch my hair twice. By this I mean I don't actually use heat while stretching my hair most of the times. If I'm doing this flat twist right now, I'll wait for my hair to dry, maybe the next day or the day after tomorrow, and then I'm going to remoisturize my hair. While remoisturizing my hair, the only thing I do is to just spritz my hair with warm water, then I go in with my oil. I don't apply leave-in because I don't want to get build up. So after that, I put it in a braid or a twist. Now this is going to help my hair to stretch out even more, and that is how I'm able to achieve amazing twist outs and amazing braid outs. So I'm going to do a video on twist out and braid outs, so that I can be able to show you exactly what I do without even using lots of products, and how I keep my hair defined for the entire week, and how I keep my hair soft and moisturized with the braid out and the twist out. So stay tuned for that as well. So that's basically how I get my hair to be soft throughout the week, and I'm going to get into more details in the next video, so stay tuned for that as well. I know there's so many videos that I'm promising you guys, but I'm going to make sure that I make these videos. Yeah, so please stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and remember to join me in this length retention challenge so that we can grow our natural hair together. My goal is to get to waist length, and I'm hoping that you guys are going to join me so that we can grow our hair to waist length. Yeah, so after that, as you can see, I'm just making sure that my edges are well protected. And that this is how I'm going to stay with my hair until it dries. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope you get to try this routine out, and I hope these tips were helpful. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.